Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Ira, and on today's episode I want to show you how to make homemade popsicles. We are kind of towards the end of the summer, but in Texas we have only two seasons. We have either summer or winter, and we have a long way towards the summer, and it is hot. It is like 100 degrees outside, and I need something to cool myself. And what's better than homemade popsicles? I know these are really cheap to buy outside, but they're so easy to make. Like you can make it out of anything you have in your pantry. You have control over the ingredients, you have control over the sugar. So I really suggest you try to make it at home first and see how you like it. So today I'm making the mango coconut popsicles, and the ingredients you're gonna need to make it is like literally 3. You're gonna need some mangoes, and that I have actually cut into little chunks. This is coconut milk and some coconut flakes. It's very simple. All you're going to do is you're going to put in the mangoes in a blender and the coconut milk. And since we are, we have it's mango season right now, these mangoes are so sweet. That's why I don't think you need any extra sugar to it. But if you feel like you need some more sweetness to this, you can always add a, pinch of honey, and it will be good to go. So now I'm going to put this lid on, and I'm going to blend this until it's smooth, and I'll show you what to do next. So this just came out of the blender. As you can see, it is so smooth. It looks like a mousse, to be honest. So over here I have some popsicle molds. If you don't have any molds, you can just use like a cup and a stick. It's still gonna be okay. You just need something to freeze your popsicle in. So what I'm going to do is I like to line the bottom with some coconut flakes. It kind of adds a texture to the popsicle, which I really like, because whenever I'm kind of eating them, I like to bite on some coconut flakes. It just, I don't know, I feel like it adds some texture to it, which I love. So just a pinch on the top on each one of them. And now I'm going to pour the mold. This is very thick, so I have to be a little careful here. And now I'm going to pour on all 6 of them. Okay, I don't want to overfill it. Now I'm going to put the cap on, and now this is going to go in the freezer for at least 4 hours, if not overnight. I will probably show you tomorrow what it looks like, because I want to keep it overnight. So I'll see you tomorrow. So these popsicles were in the freezer overnight, and I took them out of the freezer, and I kind of ran the mold on the water for like a couple of seconds. You can also dip it in hot water for a few seconds if you want to, and it will release from the mold easily. As I was telling you guys yesterday, you can see that the top part of the popsicle, you can see a nice layer of the coconut flakes, and I really like it because I feel like it adds a really nice texture to the popsicle. It's very creamy, very refreshing. It's perfect for these hot summer days, especially here in Texas, because it's like 100 degrees outside. It's really good. I hope you'll try this at home. If you do, let me know how it worked out in the comment section below. If you have any questions or comments, do not forget to put in the comment section below for me. And if you like what you saw today, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.